Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G200 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and now let's tap on the battery. As you can see here, we've got the battery percentage option, which is right now obviously turned off. We've got only the battery icon on the status bar. So in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher, and as you can see right next to the battery icon we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. Of course you can turn it off the same way, but let me leave it like this. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage in the status bar in your MOTOROLA Moto G200. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.